This is the Wigoo center console organizer tray for the 2026 Tesla Model Y. Just installed this 4-piece set and I'm very pleased with it. You can see right here, this is the deeper one right here. It just fits in here really nicely. It's got a curved area where you can just slide it in and out really nicely. It's got the cup holder insert, just goes in and out really nice. This is made very well too. I had a Model Y before, and the new one, this is the 2026 model. These parts are just made very, very well. You can see it's a very nice upgrade. This part right here, you can see it just has this little gap right here in case you need to get into it. Just slides in and out really easy, but this does have the rubber on top of it on both of these, and it's just made very well. Very nice organizers. It's got the things at the bottom to make sure nothing's going to slide around. It's got the this area right here, the hidden storage compartment, just has the 3M sticky tape on there. You just put that on there. This is nice for storing like registration documents, insurance, and things like that. But this is the packaging that it comes with. This does come with instructions, but again, this is basically just drop in. Very easy to put in. It takes about 30 seconds to install. And if you have a Model Y, this is a must-have, because if you don't have these things, you just have the deeper storage in here. You don't have access to the trays and things like that. But this is a really simple add-on to make it more functional for each of these storage spaces, for the drink holders, to make sure the cups aren't sliding around, and to store your documents in here. So definitely check this out. It's the Wigoo center console organizer tray for the 2026 Tesla Model Y.